Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got my Walmart grocery haul for the week. This haul was $120. I think I'll start on this side. I got some Canada Dry Blackberry Ginger Ale for Matt. I got some Clear American. This is the Mandarin Orange flavor for myself. I got some Sargento sliced Swiss cheese. Most of you guys know, if you've been following for a while, I was getting the Walmart brand cheese for a while. But Matt recently said he actually liked like a name brand cheese better. So I'm going to stop getting the Walmart sliced cheese. I don't eat sliced cheese, so it doesn't affect me, but he did say that. So I went ahead and just got the Sargento again, which I was getting originally. I also got some Sargento sharp cheddar cheese for a few recipes. I also got some Cabot. This is the Legacy Collection Farmhouse Reserve cheddar cheese. It's like a brick because my sister's birthday is Saturday and we're having a barbecue. So I got this just to cut up with crackers and cheese and pepperoni and stuff like that. I needed some sesame oil, so I got another bottle of the pure sesame oil. I got 3 yogurts for myself, a peach original Yoplait, a cherry orchard, and then a mixed berry. I'm very phasey with yogurt, so it's not something I buy all the time. But I thought it would be good to take for work as like a little snack with some fruit. I also am trying out this Olay Moisture Ribbons Plus body wash. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. Normally I'm a Dove girl and I still love Dove, but I just like to try new things once in a while. This is in the Shea and Manuka Honey scent and it smells really good. I got some Great Value bacon, egg, and cheese croissants for breakfast option for Matt in the morning. I've been loving these popsicles lately. I've been trying a bunch of different ones. I really like these. They're the Philly Swirl. I like the flavors, but I like the texture. They're sort of soft. I don't know, they're just really good. They only have 45 calories and I've been liking those. I got some corkscrew pasta for a recipe. I got a big bag of the low sodium, lightly salted almonds for snacking. I got this rustic cut sweet pepper sauce for a recipe. There is some Mott's applesauce hiding behind here. I was out of that. Blackberries have been super cheap lately and I've been eating them like crazy. So I got 2 more of them. I mowed down a whole one the other night by myself. They're really cheap. They're in season. They taste delicious. So I got 2 of those. Some sliced mushrooms. Some strawberries. I'm loving all the summer, you know, late spring summer fruit that's coming out. It's just delicious. So I've been stocking up on that. I got some bananas, some zucchini for recipes. I got another box of the Biscoff little cookies. My son calls these airplane cookies, but we've all been liking those as well. I needed some more rinse aid for the dishwasher. I like this Finish one. I get the big bottle, and the last one I bought lasted me like almost a year. So I got another one of those. This is the coffee creamer I've been loving lately. It's the Italian sweet cream, sugar-free. And I've been using this about, I don't know, 6 weeks now, and I really like it. I got Matt the Great Value Hazelnut. I also got some Killian's beer for the weekend. Again, we're having a little barbecue for my sister, so I got that. I got a Red Baron. This is just the classic pepperoni. I really like this pizza for a frozen pizza, and it's really inexpensive as well. I got some cat food for the cat, some romaine lettuce here. I got a cucumber, and then lastly, I don't think I missed anything. I just got this large flag for outside on our front porch. We have like a flagpole and we need a spring one. We only have, currently we just have like an American flag, but we have a fall one, and I just wanted this for like spring and summer. So I got that. I think it was like $10.88, but it's a large one. So I think that's everything grocery wise, guys. Next up, I'm either going to show you like random grocery related things, household things, or the meal plan. I'm not sure yet how this is going to play out because I don't know if I'm going to do any other shopping. So regardless, either stay tuned for the meal plan or some more random haul stuff. Hey guys, I wanted to show you what I got from Boxed.com. So I showed you guys this product, I don't know, about maybe a month or so ago. It is the house brand from Box, Prince and Spring, and this is the Organic Donut Shop Blend K-Cups. They're 80 in a box. Really good price. I think they're about $27.99 if I'm not mistaken for 80 of them. This is all I have left right now from my last box. So what, like a little over a dozen left. And I usually drink about 2 to 3 cups a day. I would say probably closer to 2 cups a day, and on the weekends we brew a full pot of coffee using like ground coffee. So since I was getting down to like about a week left, I ordered another box. It came super fast. And then the freebie this week was this Prince & Spring, again, the house brand, 6-pack of bath tissue, completely free. And then for free samples, I got these Quaker overnight oats in the toasted coconut and almond. I've seen these before like at Walmart, but I've never tried them. So I'm gonna look and see what it entails. And if for some reason I think I wouldn't eat it, I'll just give it to my mom. And then also for a free sample, I got this Go-Go Squeeze strawberry yogurt, which I think Grady would like. I've never tried the Go-Go Squeeze yogurt pouches, so I'll try this with my son. But yeah, still loving boxed. I just haven't been placing any orders lately because I haven't really needed anything. Since their items are bulk, they do last me a while, but I absolutely love these and wanted to share them because I know a lot of people, if you like donut shop coffee, you would really like this, and it's a much cheaper option as well. Plus it's organic, so you can't really beat that. But anyways, yeah, it's just boxed.com. They always have like some kind of coupon code or something for money off if you're a new customer. I had a coupon code previously, but you guys wiped it out and they only allowed me to have so many of them. So if you're interested, check them out. I have a whole video on them with my first order. I just really like them a lot, so I thought I would share that, and I'm going to share with you guys now my meal plan for next week. Hey guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm gonna do some beef stroganoff over egg noodles with some peas. So what I plan to do is, a few dinner videos ago, I showed you guys this McCormick Swedish meatball sauce mix, and these were delicious, but I actually think it would be even better if I used the sauce to make beef stroganoff. It had like a really stroganoff taste to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this next week to make the beef stroganoff. I already have egg noodles, and I have some like a steamer bag of peas I need to use up. A friend of mine actually made some homemade, she makes really good stuffed cabbage rolls. I actually have them right here to show you. I froze them. So let me see if I can open this one-handed. So again, these are frozen. There are 4 cabbage rolls in here, and they're stuffed with like beef and rice. They're really good. I've had them before. She makes them all the time, and she actually gave some to Matt and I. So I'm gonna do the stuffed cabbage rolls. I just have to cook them, obviously thaw them and cook them. And I'll do just a simple salad and bread. And this is something I can, if Matt's home before me, which he may or may not be, because this is his busy season at work, he could just preheat the oven and throw these in for me. So that'll be easy. I've got some chicken wings in my deep freeze I need to use up, so we're gonna throw those on the grill along with some veggies, whatever veggies we have to use up at the time. I want to do some turkey burger little mini sliders. I have to buy little slider buns, but I have about half a pound or 3/4 of a pound of ground turkey that I'm going to thaw out, make little sliders, and just buy the rolls. I'll do some oven fries or salads. Depends on the weather, guys. When it's hot out, I don't really like to turn my oven on, so if it's a hot night, the night we have these, I'll just make some salads. I've got some local kibasi here. I've been raving about this for a while now. This is local to me. It's made in Schenectady, New York. It's the White Eagle brand kibasi. Some people say kibasa. It just depends. I say kibasi. But anyways, it's really good. This is pretty huge, so I probably won't use the whole thing, but I will slice it up and saute it up with some cabbage. I have to get some coleslaw mix because I use that as a shortcut. So I'll do some kibasi, cabbage mix, and I'll probably throw in some onion and then do some salads. One night I'm going to do breakfast for dinner, either omelets or French toast, not really sure which yet. And then fruit and bacon, maybe bacon, I don't know. If it's a no meat night, then obviously no bacon, and maybe I'll do potatoes. And then of course I have my freebie night, which I can freestyle it, I can do leftovers, sometimes we get takeout, that kind of thing. So that is the meal plan for next week. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, have a safe Memorial Day, and I will see you guys in my next video on Monday. Bye guys.